Ever since Polymer was released earlier this year, the landscape around it has become more and more complex, with more and more tools being created to help in the development of Polymer projects. In this mini-series, we're going to take a look at some of those tools and how you can use them in your day-to-day workflow. And the first of these tools is a Chrome plugin called Polymer Ready. So if you head to the Chrome web store and search for Polymer Ready, we can add this to Chrome. All this does is whenever we're on a website which is using Polymer, an icon appears in the top right corner which indicates that Polymer elements are included on this web page. So if we head across to the Polymer project homepage, for example, we'll see that this icon has now appeared. If we click on the icon, we get an element which displays all of the elements actually in use on this homepage. And as we hover across all of these elements, we can see that, for example, the app bar is displayed in the top right corner here. So you can actually understand how each element is being used visually. If you're trying to locate where an element is being used, you can of course left click on it, which will keep the element highlighted while you navigate around the web page and try to find that specific element. With some of the other elements which are highlighted in blue, we can left click them, and that will take us to the actual GitHub page where the element is hosted, so that we can actually explore the element in more detail. Now you may notice that on GitHub the Polymer icon is also displayed in the top right. That's because we do have a Polymer element on GitHub. Polymer uses this to format times, for example. So as you can see, all of these times are specified using a Polymer element. And that's the beauty of this plugin. It's so unobtrusive that you can keep it installed and running while you're browsing the web. And if you're looking for inspiration about how other people are using Polymer, the icon will appear whenever a web page is using it, which allows you to then dig into how they're using it and how the elements are constructed and so on. Now this is obviously only a very simple example of a tool which is being created to help Polymer development, but we will explore some of the more complex tools and more useful tools as this series progresses, so make sure you stay tuned. What do you think of this video? Has it been helpful? Have you learned something new? Let me know in the comments, hit that subscribe button and check out some of these other videos.